I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Xcode installed, Apple ID linked, and device for testing. Open Xcode and create a new single-view project using Swift or Swift UI. Choose Team for provisioning. Once the template is ready, run on a simulator or device to ensure the toolchain works. Make sure to set bundle identifier and deployment target. These influence signing and supported iOS versions. Now you have a working baseline app to iterate from. You will now build the app's core, design screens and navigation, then connect UI to business logic. Use Swift UI for declarative layouts or storyboards for visual editing. Once done, structure code with MVVM or MVC so state is predictable. Implement networking via URL session and parse JSON on background threads. Persist data with core data or files. Write unit tests for models and UI tests for flows. Make sure to run performance profiling to catch memory spikes early. You finalize by polishing assets, accessibility, and privacy declarations, update info, list keys and app icons. Archive the build in Xcode, resolve any signing issues, and upload to App Store Connect for test flight testing. Once testers confirm stability, submit a release build with release notes. If something goes wrong, check device logs and crash reports in Xcode and App Store Connect. Reproduce the issue locally, add telemetry, and patch quickly. Make sure to bump version and build number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.